Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I'm really excited to share something amazing with you today. Editing your automatic translations in Linguise is very easy. We provide a user-friendly live editor that accelerates your workflow. Simply select the language you wish to edit, and from the public side of your website, click on the element you want to translate. Translations made from the front end can also be edited through the admin dashboard. In the admin dashboard, you have access to global translation rules, such as content overrides or setting translation exceptions. Let's check the details in this video where I will show you how easy the process is. One of the key features in Linguise is the translation management. Typically, the task of editing an automatically generated translation is usually undertaken by a translator. However, there are instances where you may need to make specific edits, especially if it involves recurring terms like a company name found across multiple pages. This is where the replacement rule comes into play. Within the translation management section, you can utilize the text and language filters to edit specific texts. Let's take an example. I'll set the language filter to French and enter a word I copy in the original text from my page. Since my base language is English, any instances containing this word in English will be listed below. Each English word will have a corresponding French translation. Now, when you edit a text in this management section, it's akin to applying a rule to the translator. For instance, if I modify the translated text for this word, so the next time a similar word appears on my page, it will be automatically translated based on the text I set here. This translation management feature provides control and flexibility, allowing you to fine-tune and customize translations to meet your specific needs. Besides that, you can also translate URL in the URLs translation here. Upon access, the dashboard will automatically list all your available URLs that can be translated into another language. To edit it is similar to edit the translation I showed you earlier. Just choose a language, click on the URL you want to edit when auto-translate, type in what you want, and that's done. Another feature I want to mention in this video is the search queries. Search queries are the terms or phrases users enter into the search bar to find content on your site. When a query is entered, WordPress looks for matching content in your database and displays it in search results. So translating search queries to another language improves user experience, widens your audience, and makes content more accessible. And Linguise helps provide accurate translations and better search results for users in different languages. When you access the search queries in the dashboard, your page search history will be listed below. Akin to the other translation, this also includes the original language and the translated language. Thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our Linguise channel to stay informed about new plugin features and ask us any questions using the comments. And of course, you'll find all the useful links we've talked about in the description. Have a productive day, bye.